The instruction is Peace Day, my husband wants me back. That was plus 17. So let's get into this fanfiction in 3, 2, 1. In Hawaii, why in motor? Jethro. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, good morning, everybody. Jethro. I did blood a part of our date last night. Sorry, you did? Jethro. So let's go. Whoa. Last night at the one boat dropping. Wow, cool. Really cool. Yeah. Jethro. Sorry, all are you in or first date? Sorry, I can't believe I'm on a date with my DB husband. Toto. Yeah, we to thank Alex for this. Sorry, why? Toto, because he the one that anything with me all over pink a day. Sorry. Yeah, thank you, Alex. You don't deserve a nice guy like Toto. Toto, oh, sorry, kiss him. Sorry, Montgomery. Kissy Toto back in up there night. Meanwhile, in Paris, France, the art living room. Dick, I wonder what we are being when Alex did so. Sen, yep, I see that I'm feeling that it's too late. I listen. Yeah, I thought some feeling too. I said, Alex did back up with him all because of a pink. Yeah, you back up with someone over a pink. Yeah, you will back up over a pink. Really? It was only a pink. Yep. To receive. Yeah, you must. Yeah, you. Saying also I may be moving you. I think you saying at the appointment to see Dylan if to be his new roommate after buying some passing. Take all. Meanwhile, back in Hawaii, motor. Jethro. It's a great day you in Hawaii. Hawaii. Sorry, yep. Jethro. Before we go to the beach, I want to ask you a question. Sorry, yes, what is it? Jethro. Sorry, will you be my boyfriend? No. I'll be in it. Sorry, oh god, yes. Of course I'll be your boyfriend. Jethro, sorry, Jethro back. Jethro. No, let's go to the beach. Sorry, okay, boyfriend. Meanwhile, at Honolulu's International Airport, oh no, not airport. At a baggage claim. Alex, that was, I am here, and I can't wait to see the look on your face when you see me. Oh, oh. But you don't know you always sorry. Oh no, you don't be a good one. Meanwhile, back in Paris, France, Dylan spots in Benoit's apartment. Dylan's Dylan. So why should I pick you to be my roommate? Sen, because I want to move you from San Diego away from my parents. Oh, Dylan. Okay. Meanwhile, back in Hawaii, back at the motor, Jethro. So they go freshen up in while I pick up a movie for us to watch. Kissy, sorry. Okay, Kissy, Jethro back. Sorry, leaves for the bathroom, knocking on the door. Jethro, I did it, sorry. Sorry, okay, in the bathroom. Jethro, you easy, Alex. It's your husband. Jethro, husband. Husband? I don't know husband anymore. because we are getting a divorce. Alex, Toto, open up the door now. Toto, Alex, what do you want? Ooh! Alex, can I come in? Toto, okay. Alex walks in. Toto, so Alex, what brings you to Hawaii? Alex, I'm here to take you back. Casey Jethro. Jethro. Alex, what are you doing? My boyfriend's in the bathroom. Alex, boyfriend. Jethro. Alex, since you wanted a divorce, I'll move on with my life and so is my new boyfriend now. Alex, come on, Jethro. Please don't throw or Morris a white apple wedding. Jethro, sorry, it's too late. I'm sorry now. Alex lays crying. Oh, I feel bad for Alex. Yep, I feel bad for Alex. B, in the defense, he did back up with apple or punk. Yep. Yep. Sorry, you was the other door in the bathroom. The door. It was my soon to be ex-husband wanting me back. Sorry, what? In the bathroom. But I told him that I move on with my life. Sorry, thanks in the bathroom. Back in the mental car. Alex, the door. I will be your husband again. And sorry, you better sleep with one eye open because I'm coming for you, bitch. Alex, you just spoke about Morris, so I'm taking back what belongs to me. Oh, you put it good on. Back in the motor room. I think I'm going to in the blow here. Sorry, but like if you want more plus like this one, don't forget to follow us on everything. Sorry, in real art. Bye. Bye. We love you guys. In a blog. Wow. Wow. That was Please stay. My husband wants me back. That was blog number 17. The link to the fanfiction will be up description below and go and check out. And drop a like if you like. And comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new. And click the bell to be notified when I upload in the Bye.